So hello everyone. So today we are going to see the number of IUPAC nomenclature. Last class I have shown bit of it. So today I have many examples. Still 2 to 3 class we will try to solve number of questions one by one. We will understand that and then we will go to the next topic. So you can make a heading that is IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. So in this second we'll see first we'll see CO, H2N, CH2, CH2, NH2, thrice 2 SO4 thrice. We'll see this. Now we will split here. I write down here CO, H2N, CH2, CH2, NH2 thrice plus 3 and SO4 minus 2. See, this is nothing but ethane 1,2 diamine. It's a neutral ligand. It's a neutral ligand. So CO plus 3 into En, ethane 1,2 diamine. Yes or no? Equal to what? Plus 3. So as ethane 1,2 diamine is a neutral ligand, so its oxidation number will be 0 equal to plus 3. So cobalt is equal to how much beta? Plus 3. Cobalt is plus 3. So what the name can be there? So now see first. Whenever I told you that whenever you are getting this kind of ligand, so see here I will start with the ligand first. So what? See, suppose if I am writing here tri ethane 1,2 diamine, and at that time I told you again di and tri cannot exist here. Secondly, whenever you are getting any type of a ligand, in that ligand if numbering is involved, so that type of a ligand prefix will be used is bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis, hexakis. Yes or no? So you are tri not, I have to write down here tris. Understanding or not? So tris ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt. Now why cobalt? Because you see it is a positive complex, cationic complex. So whenever in cationic part, if cobalt come, in cationic part metal name should be given as metal only. Cobalt means cobalt. What is the valency here? 3. So write down here 3. Cobalt 3, give a space, sulfate. Cobalt 3, sulfate. Now sulfate, it can be sulfato also. But if sulfate is inside the complex, I would have told sulfato or sulfatito, but here sulfate is outside. So as we are given the chloride, so we will give the name as, if Cl was there, suppose we would have told chloride. Now this is sulfate, so we are calling just sulfate. So what is the name here? Tris ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3 sulfate. We cannot put here tri because di and tri does not look good. Numbering ligand comes, and another, or in short organic ligands come, then instead of bi, tri, tetra, the prefix you have to use is bis, tris, quis, tetrakis and pentakis. Clear? Done this? Chalo. We'll see the next question. Write down this. This everything whatever I am writing in this side, I am calculating the oxidation number. That all oxidation number you should do backside of your pages. Clear? Chalo. Write down this. Clear? Next, I will go with it. So, next question is next question. Done this portion? Sure. So, next is important. Ag NH3 twice. Here also another complex Ag Cn twice. Clear? Now see here beta. Here what to do? So here now there are cation is also complex Anionic is also complex. So this step also can come. So you split here first. When I split, I'll get here, first is always positive ligand, so AgNH3 twice plus, and here AgCN twice minus. Calculate the oxidation number for both. Why? Because both there are two type of metals. So calculate the oxidation number here. So Ag plus 2 into ammonia equal to plus 1. Now ammonia is a neutral ligand, so oxidation number will be 0 equal to 1. So Ag oxidation number will be 1 here. Now here if you see, it will come here Ag plus 2 into Cn equal to minus 1. Ag plus 2, now cyanide is a negative ligand, so minus 1 here, minus 1. Ag minus 2 equal to minus 1. Ag equal to minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to plus 1. Clear this part? So first we will try to give the name. First we will give this cationic complex. So here it is 2. So what I write down here? Di. And for ammonia, what I write down? Amine. A-double-M. So diamine. Yes or no? Now this silver is in cation complex. So cationic complex name should be given as it is, silver. What is the oxidation number for silver? Here 1. Chalo. Silver 1. Give the space, write down for the anionic. In anionic also it is a complex. Now follow the rules of anionic complex. First to give the name of this ligand. What is the ligand? That dicyano, or you can give dicyanide, both same. Either you can give dicyano or dicyanide. Now this silver is an anionic complex. Now this silver is an anionic complex. So what do you do? Don't say silverate, it will be argentate now. So whenever silver comes in anionic complex, so you have to apply the 8. So don't say silverate, you say argentate. So dicyano, argentate, argentate. What is the silver oxidation number in anionic complex? Plus 1. Dicyano argentate 1. So this will be your answer. Understood this? So diamine silver 1, dicyano argentate 1. Clear? If it is a cationic complex, metal gave name as it is. But if in an anionic complex, give the metal suffix as metalate. But don't say silverate, you say argentate. So this you have to remember this. Then you can give the name as dicyano or dicyanide. Both remain same. Either you can say here dicyano or dicyanide. Both remain same. Don't issue. Clear? Sure. See this. Okay. Ready, beta? So we will see the next. Now I will write down here one list. One by one we will see. First I will write down here list. Now see here I am writing nearly 5 questions. First is PT NH3 twice Cl NO2. Okay. So first is this. Second K3 Cr, please write down along with me only. C2O4 thrice. Third is CO Cl2 En2. En means ethane 1,2 diamine, ethylene 1,2 diamine. Okay. Cl. Fourth case CO NH3 5 CO3 Cl. Fifth Hg CO SCN4. Beta, last class I have made one mistake by writing NCS. Okay, so the NCS name will be isothiocyaneto. Sorry, it will be isothiocyanate, not thiocyaneto N. It will be isothiocyaneto N. Okay, like SCN, I suppose I wrote like this, no, thiocyaneto S. So thiocyanate, cyanide, so cyaneto S. What is? Cyaneto N. So here you write down thiocyaneto S. Clear? If it is coming like this. Clear? So NCS means isothiocyaneto N, because bonding is through N. So isothiocyaneto N, and SCN is thiocyaneto S. Like CN means cyanido, like CN and NC, no? This is CN and this is NC. So cyanide, so cyanido or cyanide, cyanido or cyano. And I am writing what? Isocyanide or isocyano. N will come means this iso will come. Yes or no? So here also a RAS class, some student has given me the query. So NCS means iso thiocyanate because through bonding is through N, so N, and if bonding is through S, so thiocyanate S. Yes or no? Ambident ligand. You can make a, you can correct. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. So now come back to these questions, and my suggestion is pause the video and try to give the name for this all the 5 questions, then again play the video, see my solution. Ready? So chalo, pause the video, 1, 2, 3, ready, chalo. So now I will solve here. First we will see. First is PT NH3 to Cl NO2. So this is a beta neutral ligand, sorry, neutral complex. Okay, so directly name only you have to give. Now see, this name will be amine, this name will be chlorido, and this will be nitrito N. Yes or no? So who will win first? First will come A, then will come B, B, C, D. So this will come third. So the name will be diamine. And before that also you have to give the oxidation number, sorry, you have to give the, what I mean to tell, oxidation number of the metal. So first we'll try to find the oxidation number of metal. So PT plus 2 into ammonia plus Cl plus NO2 equal to 0, because it's a neutral ligand, so equal to 0. PT is PT, ammonia is a neutral complex, so equal to 0. Huh? Okay. So now ammonia is a neutral ligand, 0 here, Cl is -1, NO2 is -1, NO2 minus, remember? NO2 minus, nitrito N, nitrito O. NO2 minus, it's a negative ligand, so NO2. So NO2 minus, please remember it this way, NO2 minus, right? It's -1 charge, you remember here. You remember -1 charge, yeah, -1 charge will come here. Okay, so -1 charge will come, huh? Please remember this. This is one star mark. So NO2, so nitrito N or ONO, nitrito O, both in same, okay, equal to 0. So PT -1 equal to 0, PT equal to 2. Clear? Yeah, PT will come 2. So what is the name here? So who will win first? First will come this amine. So diamine. Chalo, diamine over. Then chlorido. One time only, don't write down monochlorido, just write down chlorido. So this is over. 3. Now see, the bonding is through NO2. So I told you, when it is written NO2, then bonding is through N. If it is an ONO, bonding is through O. So it is written NO2 means bonding through N. So what I will give the name? Nitrito N. Nitrito N. So this is also over. Remaining is what? Platinum. Now I told you whenever the metal comes in the neutral complex, so give the name as it is. Platinum. Platinum. Okay. 2. This will be the answer. Head of this. Clear? Ready, beta? Done, no? Can I go for next? So we'll see the next. Second. So it is K3 Cr C2O4 thrice. Clear? Split it this K plus Cr C2O4 thrice minus 3. So now here I write down Cr plus 3 into C2O4 minus 3. Now here C2O4 minus 2 will come. Why? COOH, COOH. This H will go minus minus. This is C2O4 minus 2. So it's a negative ligand, anionic ligand, which is carries minus 2 charge. So Cr 3 into minus 2 barabar minus 3. Cr minus 6 equal to minus 3 and Cr equal to plus 3. Now I will give the names here. First, always give the name of the positive part, cationic part, that is potassium. Give the space, okay, leave some space. Do not leave the space by writing the complex. See here. Clear? So what is the name is? First this name will come. So now this is what beta? Oxalate ion. Oxalato. So here it's not an organic ligand. So what you have to give the name? Here to give the name is trioxalato. Trioxalato. Now it's an anionic ligand. So whenever it is an anionic ligand, the metal should be represented as metal 8. So trioxalato chromate 3. This is the name, potassium trioxalato chromate. This should be your answer, then you are correct, else you are wrong. Write on this. Done? Chalo, can I go for next? Chalo. Are you understanding? No? I am going very slow because this question and this topic is very important, because sometime what will happen, in 4 mark question, section D, 4 mark, directly they are asking this 4 mark question. These 4 problems, 4 they will give you. Each carries 1 mark, 4 mark, easily gaining. Practice as much as possible, practice. We will get the answers. So, we will see third, okay. CO, Cl2, En, 2, Cl. First we will split this, okay. See here. CO, Cl2, En twice plus 1 and Cl minus. Okay. So here write down here CO, 2Cl, 2En equal to 1. CO, chlorine is minus 1. Ethane 1,2-diamine is a neutral ligand, 0 equal to 1. CO minus 2 equal to 1. CO equal to 3. Okay. First we will represent the complex. Now here see, this is chlorido and this is ethane 1,2-diamine. Who will win first? First will be winning is this ethane 1,2-diamine and then chlorido. So here I can say diethane 1,2-diamine. No, di will not come. Then instead here what I have to give the prefix bis. Yes or no? Because ethane 1,2-diamine is a numbering ligand. Whenever numbering ligand is coming, prefix should be bis, tris, tetra, case and all. Okay. So here write down here bis in the bracket ethane 1,2-diamine, and don't write down here amine, just diamine, means ethane diamine, dichlorido, don't give space because I don't have here space, so I am writing down, so you write down completely. Dichlorido, done no? Now metal will come, no? So metal is in a positive complex. So give name as it is, cobalt. Okay, cobalt. What is the number here? 3, cobalt 3. Now give the space. So to give the space, Cl minus. What is the name of Cl minus? Chloride. This will be your answer. Okay, if Cl was inside, I would have told chlorido, but now Cl is outside of the coordination sphere, so I have to give as chloride as it is. Clear? This part. So the name will be what? The name will be here. Clear this part? Correct. COCl2 bis ethane. Yes or no? ABC. Sorry. ABCD, according to ABCD here. Chalo, so now we will try the third question. Okay. See, write down the third question here. The third question says CO, Cl2, En twice, Cl. Yes or no? Now see, this is one positive complex. Okay, so this is a Cl, means I write here chlorido, and here it is ethane 1,2-diamine, so E. So first who will win? First is this is second. Okay. Now chalo. First we will try to find out the oxidation number of this. So I will write down here CO, Cl2, En twice plus Cl minus, CO, 2Cl, 2En equal to 1, CO, 2 into minus 1, 2 into 0 equal to 1, CO minus 2 equal to 1, CO equal to 3. Clear? So now I'll give the name. See here first is coming what? C. So I'll write down here name as dichlorido, or dichloro also can give the name, but mention dichlorido. Then diethane 1,2 diamine. Can I say diethane 1,2 diamine? No. Now this is a numbering ligand. So whenever the numbering ligand come, the prefix should be used is bis, tris and that all. So I write down here dichlorido. This is over. Then I'll give the name as bis into bracket ethane 1,2 ethane 1,2 diamine 1,2 ethane 1,2 diamine. Don't write down amine. Amine double M is only for ammonia. So dichlorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine. Don't, here there is no space, so I am writing downside, but don't leave a space by writing the complex cobalt, because again the metal name will come as it is because it is a positive complex cobalt 3. Now leave the space. Remaining is what? Cl minus. Cl minus his name is what? Chloride. That's it. Over. Write down this. Dichlorido bis ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3 chloride. Clear? Done this. Can I go for next? Okay. So let's see question number 4 now. Question number 4. See here this. CO NH3 5 CO3 Cl. First we will try to find the oxidation number. So split it. CO NH3 5 CO3 plus and Cl minus. So CO plus 5 into NH3 plus CO3 equal to 1. So CO now 5. Ammonia is a neutral ligand 0. Carbonate ion is a anionic ligand which is having the charge minus 2 equal to 1. CO minus 2 equal to 1. CO equal to 3. Now here I have two ligands. First is a positive complex, so I will give the name of metal as it is cobalt. This is amine and this is C, carbonato. So what is the name will come? Here the first will come this, then this will come this second position. So how many amine are there? Penta, amine. So the pentamine over. Then next is C, carbonate. So carbonate, what is suffix you have to use? Carbonato. So pentamine, carbonato. Don't leave the space here. Carbonato. What is the name, metal name? Cobalt. Because it is as it is, because it is a positive complex. So cobalt. What is the charge? 3. So now leave the space. Cl minus means what? Chloride. So this will be your name. Pentamine, carbonato, cobalt 3 chloride. Clear? So in this way you have to give the name. Are you understanding or not? Pentamine, carbonato, cobalt 3 chloride. So I will go with the fourth. This was fourth, sorry, we will go with the fifth. Ready? Chala. Fifth. Hg CO SCN 4. See, again I will split here. So here Hg plus CO SCN 4 minus. So CO plus 4 into SCN equal to minus 1. Now this is thiocyanato S. So it's an anionic ligand. So minus will be minus 1 charge. Because also SCN minus. CO minus 4 equal to minus 1. CO equal to 3. So first we will give the name of positive part and cationic part, that is mercury. So now leave the space. Now first this name will come. How many are there? So this is a thiocyanato S. So it is not a numbering ligand. So give as tetra, thio, sorry. It is thio because iso will come and N will come. Now here it is not written S, it is written SCN, means bonding is through S. If it would have written NCS, then bonding would through N. So here it is SCN means bonding through S. So tetra, thio, cyanato S. Tetra, thio, cyanato S because bonding is through S. Now this metal is in the and any complex. So I have to give the suffix as ate. So tetra thiocyanate cobaltate. Cobaltate, how much? 3. Cobaltate 3. Write on this. Mercury tetrathiocyanato cobaltate 3. Now beta, in some book they have given the mention the oxidation number of mercury here also, like mercury 1. So if you don't mention it, okay, sometimes they are telling over, some books are becoming over smart, so don't give. This is correct, we will get the marks. In some book, if you see for these names particularly, they have given here mercury 1, so need not to mention. This is also correct, okay. If you write down here mercury 1, then okay, because sometimes what will happen, this is the belonging to D block element, so that's why they have mentioned here mercury 1. If you don't represent also, it will work. If you represent also, it will work, okay. In some book they written like this way, see, mercury 1, then tetra thio cyanato S cobaltate 3, 1 and same, okay. If you write down this also, correct answer. Write down this also, correct answer. They have mentioned the metal because this is a D block element, so they have mentioned it, okay. For all metal they cannot mention. Metal belong to D block, they will only mention it. Clear? So in this way you have to solve the problem. So take a screenshot. I hope you have copied and you got the questions very well. Yes or no? Chalo. Can I go for next now? Okay, so we'll see the next question. Again I will write down the list here and you try to solve the question. Written? Chalo, write down the question along with me now. First is CO NH3 6, okay, Cl2. Second question is CO NH3 5Cl Cl2. Third question is K3FeCN6 K3FeCN6. Fourth question is K3FeC2O4 thrice. Fifth question is PT NH3 twice Cl NH2 CH3 Cl. And sixth, that's it. Okay, chalo. So we will see this also. Okay, so pause the video and try to solve these questions. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done? Chalo, I hope you have solved the question. Now see the solution one by one. See first is CO NH3 6 Cl2, okay, CO NH3 6 Cl2, okay. Now this NH3, sorry, Cl2 is 6 outside, no beta. This is the question. Chalo. So first try to split this. So CO NH3 6 plus 2 Cl minus. Try to calculate the oxidation number. CO plus 6 into NH3 equal to plus 2. CO plus 6 into 0 plus 2. CO equal to plus 2. Okay, now see, first we will try to give the name of the complex. So it is hexaamine. Okay. Now the metal is in the positive complex. So give the name as it is cobalt. Oxidation number is 2. So this is given. Now here is what? Chloride. That's it. I hope you got this name now. Clear? Understanding or not? Hexamine. See now ammonia given double M. So hexamine, cobalt 2, chloride. Why 2? Because oxidation number is 2, so that's why. Done? So can I go for next? Sure. So this all calculation you can do backside of your page also. Huh? Second question. So second question says CO NH3 5 Cl Cl2. Now split first. So CO NH3 5Cl plus 2 Cl minus. So CO plus 5 into NH3 plus Cl equal to plus 2. CO plus 5 into 0 minus 1 equal to 2. CO minus 1 equal to 2. CO equal to 3. So first try to give the name. What will give the name? Here I will give the name as first. This is now amine. It is now chlorido. So this will come first. This will come second. So write down here penta amine. Penta amine. So given this name. Okay. Next is chlorido. Okay. Chlorido. Cobalt. Give the name as it is. What is the cobalt? 3. Now give the space. Cl minus chloride. This will be your answer. Clear? So pentamine. This will be your answer. It is pentamine. In this way you can give the name. Yes, correct. Pentamine. Clear? Instead of chlorido, you can write down the chloro also. Okay. Chalo. Can I go for next? Ready. Now I hope you have been mastered in the naming. Okay. One more class I will go with the naming. So third, K3, Fe, Cn6. Split it. K plus Fe, Cn6 minus 3. So Fe 6 into Cn equal to minus 3. Fe 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. Fe minus 6 equal to minus 3. Fe equal to plus 3. Give the name now. So first is complex cation potassium. Then leave the space. So first you come here hexacyano. And whenever the iron comes in the ionic complex, what I told you to give the name ironate? No, ferrate. Ferrate. How much? 3. This will be your answer. Potassium hexacyano ferrate, or another name can be also there, beta. Potassium hexacyanidoferrate. 1 and C. Done. So can I go for next? Copy out it. Okay, sir. Okay. Question number 4. Written? Write down. So see, this naming is very easy. You can do of yourself also. Need not of requirement of me. You can give the name. It's very easy. Fourth, K3. Here Fe, C2O4 thrice. Okay. Again you split it, and you get the answer as K plus Fe C2O4 thrice minus 3. Chalo, we'll calculate this oxidation number. Fe 3 into C2O4 minus 3. Now C2O4 is minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 3. Fe minus 6 equal to minus 3. Fe equal to 3. So the name will be potassium. Give the space. Now it is C2O4 is a oxalato. So trioxalato. Now iron is an anionic ligand. So ironate will not come. What will come? Ferrate. Ferrate 3. Oh, that's it. Are you understanding or not? So simple questions. Clear? It's an simple and very simple questions. Done or not? Okay. Can I go for next? Fifth is PT NH3 twice Cl NH2 CH3 Cl. Okay. Now crack it. When you crack it, it will come here plus, it will come here minus. So what I will get here? I will get here PT 2 into NH3 Cl NH2 CH3 equal to what beta? Plus 1, no? Because when I crack it, this will have a plus 1, this will have minus 1. So PT, now beta ammonia is having a neutral ligand, 0 charge, chlorine is a negative ion, minus 1 charge, this is methylamine, neutral ligand, 0, 1. Methylamine is a neutral ligand, it's a neutral ligand, okay. So PT minus 1 equal to 1, PT is equal to 2. So what is the name can be there? So see, this is amine, this is chlorido, and this is methylamine. Okay, so who will win first? So A, B, C, second, third. Chalo, you will start to give the name. First, I will give the name is amine, no? So name will be diamine. Okay, given this. Second is chlorine. So chlorido, or you can write down chloro, one and same. Chalo, done. Then methylamine. Methylamine. So don't say amine here. Only for ammonia, double M. Huh? Methylamine. This is also given. Now the metal is in the positive complex. So say platinum. Platinum. How much beta? 2. Now remaining is what? Space chloride. Space chloride. Write on this. Diamine. Diamine, chlorido, methylamine, platinum, 2 chloride. That's it. Understanding? It's very easy. Naming is very easy. Clear? So I will write down the homework now. Okay. You solve yourself. I will write down here. We will try to solve in the next class. Ready? Ready for the homework? Chalo, write down the homework now. Okay. So I will write down here just. Then we will do the reverse way also. Huh? Nearly 10 to 12 questions will do the reverse way. So reverse way means they will give you the name. They will give you the name and they will ask you to write the formula. So this is also important. Huh? Chalo. So first we will try to give write on the homework. Just to write on the homework. Next class I will solve each and every question. So first is CO. If anyone is repeating in homework, don't do it. Okay. NH3 6 Cl3. Second is Ti. H2O 6 plus 3. Third CO NH3 4 Cl NO2 Cl. Fourth Mn H2O 6 plus 3 plus 2. Fifth Ni Cl4 minus 2. Sixth Ni NH3 6 Cl2. Seventh CO En thrice plus 3 8. Ni CO 4. Okay, so this are your homework. Try to solve it yourself. Okay, try to get the answer of yourself only. Okay, see, we'll solve number of questions again also, and then we'll see in the future. We'll see the names will be given, and from that names you have to generate the formulas this way. So both we'll see. Then we'll go with the further chapter like Werner theory is there, 2-3 things are there, number of things. But I feel this chapter is very easy and interesting. We'll very slowly we'll understand each and every topic. Clear this part? Thank you.